Hey everyone, welcome back to Trusted Gadget Review, your source for in-depth gadget reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the world of digital oscilloscopes. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or a professional, choosing the right oscilloscope is crucial for your projects. So stay tuned as I walk you through the top 5 best digital oscilloscopes, each offering great features and value for money. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and join us for more gadget reviews. Now, let's get started. Product number 1, the ZT702S 2-in-1 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter is a versatile tool that combines the functions of an oscilloscope and a multimeter. It features a real-time sampling rate of 48 ms per second, a 2.8-inch HD color screen, and 9:9999 counts digital display. It's designed for professional use with a broad measurement range for capacitance, resistance, current, and voltage. Key functionalities include true RMS, auto manual modes, data hold, and an automatic power-off feature. It is made of ABS plus TPE for durability and certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS. This device offers great precision, particularly for electrical work, thanks to its real-time sampling and true RMS features. The oscilloscope side is impressive for its price range, with a broad sampling rate and waveform interpolation. The multimeter functionality covers a wide range of testing needs from DC-AC voltage, current, and resistance to frequency. The 2.8-inch screen is a bonus, offering clear, high-definition readings. Pros: 2-in-1 functionality combines oscilloscope and multimeter. High sampling rate, 48 ms for detailed measurements. True RMS ensures accurate measurements. Multiple features: data hold, backlight, low battery alert, and auto power-off. Durable, made from ABS TPE with CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications. The ZT702S 2-in-1 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter is an excellent tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for an affordable and reliable testing device. Its blend of features, precision, and usability makes it highly recommended for electrical and electronic diagnostics. Product number 2. The GVDA 3-in-1 Digital Oscilloscope is a versatile device that combines a 12 MHz analog bandwidth oscilloscope, a smart multimeter, and a signal generator. It features a rechargeable lithium battery, 1500 mAh, with over 8 hours of continuous use. The multimeter measures a wide range of values, including capacitance, resistance, and voltage, both AC and DC. It supports sine, square, and triangular wave outputs and has a maximum sampling rate of 50 ms. The device also features a digital display, Type-C charging, and CE certification. This compact, multifunctional tester is ideal for those who need both oscilloscopes and multimeter functions in one device. The 12 MHz bandwidth is decent for basic electronics diagnostics, and the multimeter handles a variety of measurements with accuracy. The signal generator is a nice addition, offering flexible output options. It's lightweight, easy to use, and rechargeable, making it portable and convenient. Pros: 3-in-1 functionality, oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. 12 MHz bandwidth, suitable for basic electronic diagnostics. Portable, lightweight with a rechargeable battery. Multiple measurement ranges, AC-DC voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance. User-friendly, digital display and auto manual modes. The GVDA 3-in-1 Digital Oscilloscope is a solid choice for hobbyists or professionals needing a compact, multifunctional device. Its wide range of features and portability make it an excellent value, especially for basic electronics troubleshooting. Highly recommended for its versatility and ease of use. Product number 3. The BSIDE ZT702S Digital Oscilloscope is a professional handheld multimeter that combines oscilloscope functionality with auto current, voltage, and capacitor testing. It features a 48 ms of real-time sampling rate, 10 MHz bandwidth, and supports various tests like AC-DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, diode, and temperature. It displays up to 9:9999 counts and provides true RMS for accurate measurements. Compact and handheld, this device is ideal for electrical diagnostics. This device offers excellent versatility, functioning as both a digital oscilloscope and a multimeter. The 48 ms force sampling rate and 10 MHz bandwidth make it reliable for most basic electronic tests. The true RMS feature ensures accurate measurements, while the temperature test range is a useful addition for advanced diagnostics. Pros: 2-in-1 functionality, multimeter and oscilloscope. Accurate readings, 48 ms per second sampling rate, and true RMS. Multiple testing options: voltage, current, capacitance, resistance, and temperature. Portable, handheld design for easy use. The BSIDE T702S is a solid choice for professionals or hobbyists seeking a compact, multifunctional tool for basic electronic diagnostics. Highly recommended for its versatility and ease of use. Product number 4, the ZOYI ZT703S 3-in-1 digital multimeter combines a 50 MHz dual-channel oscilloscope, a digital multimeter, and a signal generator. It features a 280 ms real-time sampling rate, supports AC/DC voltage and current tests, resistance and capacitance measurements, and has PC waveform data storage capabilities. This device is CE FCC and RoHS certified, with a 25,000 count multimeter display and auto normal single trigger modes. The ZT703S stands out with its high 50 MHz bandwidth and dual-channel oscilloscope, making it suitable for more advanced testing. The 280 ms sampling rate ensures accurate readings, while the multimeter provides comprehensive measurements, including voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance. The added signal generator and PC data storage make it a versatile tool for professionals. Pros: 3-in-1 functionality, oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. High bandwidth and sampling rate, 50 MHz and 280 ms per sec for precise measurements. Dual-channel oscilloscope, more advanced testing options, PC waveform data storage, convenient for record keeping. The ZOYI ZT703S is a powerful, versatile tool, ideal for professionals needing a compact device for complex electronic diagnostics. Highly recommended for its advanced features and performance. Product number 5, the ZEEWEII is a 3-in-1 desktop digital oscilloscope with a 3.2-inch display, 120 MHz bandwidth, dual-channel support, multimeter functionality, and an integrated signal generator. It offers essential features for electrical diagnostics, making it a versatile tool for both professionals and hobbyists. The ZEEWEII DS03D12 provides solid performance with its 120 MHz bandwidth and dual-channel oscilloscope, offering accurate real-time measurements. The multimeter and signal generator features enhance its versatility, allowing users to perform a variety of tests and diagnostics on a single device. Its compact desktop design makes it convenient for bench setups. Pros: 3-in-1 device combines oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. 120 MHz bandwidth, high-frequency support for advanced testing. Dual channel, useful for comparing signals. Compact design, ideal for desktop use. The ZEEWEII DS03D12 is a powerful space-saving tool with advanced capabilities for diagnostics. It's an excellent choice for users needing a compact yet feature-rich device for their workbench. Highly recommended for its versatility and performance. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.